Hi, my name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA, a Social Security disability law firm in Florida, Georgia, and a few other locations as well. We do other stuff outside of that, but I limit it because I really don't want to have to drive all over the place to go to these hearings. Let's go ahead and begin. We're doing what are the top 10 different levels of disability representatives and why do they all get paid the same amount? We did the first 4, now we're doing number 5. So we did friends and family members as disability representatives, caseworkers, disability advocates, certified disability advocates, right? Now we're going to be going to the first quasi-legal representative. They're not full legal representatives because they didn't pass the bar, but they're quasi-legal representatives because they've had training at an actual law school. So the next group, number 5, is law school dropout. So what does a law school dropout have that disability advocates, whether certified or not, do not have? They know how to do research, they know how to write briefs, they know how to interact with legal folk and to use the jargon properly. They know how to go ahead and usually find a solution to something that's pretty difficult. But these are individuals that could not compete at the same cognitive level as the other students that they were interacting with. Whether they drank too much in school, they didn't have enough upstairs, or they basically just didn't do enough work to begin with. When I went to law school, just like it is always, when at the law school I went to, after the first semester, so you get in, yay, first semester. After the first semester, 1/3 of the entering students are kicked out. By the end of the third semester, another third of the entering students are kicked out. That's why when they say look to your left, look to your right, those people will not be with you at the end of this process. They're correct because they kick out 1/3 after the first semester and another 1/3 after the second semester, so you're just left with 1/3 of the student body going into the final bar experience. So you have to be fair, smarter than a lot of the people that you interact with on a daily basis. You have to be able to memorize things, you have to have high analysis skills, you have to be able to train your mind. It's difficult. And remember too, when I went through it, I didn't do well during the first year of law school, but then by the second year, I was kicking butt. By the third year, I was one of the top ranked students out of everybody that was there. But I figured out the game. I figured out how to learn the way they wanted me to learn it. I didn't get it at first, but I tend to be a pretty high intelligence individual, above the normative standard, what you would expect for a person that likes to do YouTube videos. Not that it's a dumb group, because let's call it like it is. For you to go ahead and set up the camera gear, set up the audio gear, set up the lighting and all that, it takes an initial intelligence to go ahead and make all that come together. Not that this by any stretch is cinematic Steven Spielberg quality. It's just what I set up because I don't have the other stuff set up yet on the new property. But you will be seeing some really cool stuff in the future where we're going to have better backdrops. I'm really hoping that increases viewership because I know this green screen is super boring. So let's talk about that. Why do non-attorneys who dropped out of law school still get paid the same amount for a Social Security disability attorney? That's because by statute, it's all set up for the 25% up to $6K for the fee. So basically, as you get up to the ALJ level, 25% of your back pay up to $6K. You go to appeals council, it's just 25%. There's no $6K cap. And then you go to district court, you're looking at EJA fees, district circuit and Supreme Court. Okay, and at any point, those can be remanded back to, of course, the ALJ to go ahead and redo the trial. My name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA. If you want an updated video or a topic that I can do a video on, that's fine. I'll add it to the list. The list is huge now. I'm trying to get to as many of these as I can as possible. So I did 2 offices today. I did a hearing. I'm going to write another 2 briefs tonight, and I got to do about 30 videos that I'm going to be doing in total. I'm exhausted at the end of every day, but everybody's really happy about these videos. I want people to do well, so we're going to keep doing them, keep pushing them, making them happen. All right. My name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA. I'll catch you a little bit later, and we'll go into number 6 next. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.